Charlie sees a snowman. Cute snowman. Do you like the snowman? Can you say hi to the snowman? Hi, snowman. Vito, come here. Come here. Don't you dare pee on that snowman. Come here, Vito. Come here. Puppy. You like the snowman? Hi, snowman. Very cute snowman, isn't it? Why don't you just look at him? You don't have to touch him. Just look. Just look at him and say hi. Hi, snowman. Hi, snowman. Charlie, look at mommy and say cheeseburgers. Hi, snowman. Hi, snowman. Okay, you ready to go say hi to your puppy at home? Your snow puppy? Ready to go say hi to your snow puppy at home? Come on. No, she says no. I'm not ready. I like this guy. Ooh, fall down, go boom. All right, come